Welcome to Austin Pepper Garage. So we're wrapping up our turbo project. So we've got our turbo on. We still need to install our intercooler tubes, the coolant tank, miscellaneous things, do some cleanup, things like that. So will it go drama free? Not likely. So we're going to delve off in here, get these intercooler pipes installed. We also have our coolant tank left and our intake, miscellaneous accoutrements. But we already know OG73 will start. We ran him for a couple of minutes, didn't see any more leaks. Turbo was spinning, so everything looks to be in order. So we're going to get everything else stuffed off in here and go take him for a test drive. So we got OG73 put back together for the most part. Got him started, cranked up. It's running good. Went back to do some cleanup, cleaning up different things, getting some stuff mounted back up. Man, all of a sudden, he went maximum overdrive on me. He started cranking off. Couldn't get him to stop. Luckily the ignition wasn't on or anything. I mean, he didn't actually start, but man, the starter was just turning over and over. Good thing he wasn't in gear. We went smooth through the front end of the garage. So we're going to do some stuff we've been putting off for a while. I got a new starter solenoid here in case that's bad, but we also have some wiring that the previous resident had been gnawing on. So I think we might have a short in there somewhere. The other thing is now he won't start with the key. So gonna delve off into this and see what we find, clean up some stuff, fix some frayed wires and whatnot, things like that, and then and see where we're at. But man, I tell you what, when you're bent off over inside there and he just starts cranking off on you, that'll pucker you up a little bit. Okay, I think we got everything sealed back up, and we got our new starter solenoid on here. Now we're gonna connect the batteries back up and see what chaos ensues. I don't think anything's letting the smoke out yet. Guess we'll try to start him. Well, I think we might actually be able to wrap this thing up now. So all we got left to do, hadn't been able to take him on a test drive yet, and recheck our coolant levels. So I think that's next. Go ahead and get him test drove and see what we need to circle back around and revisit. Alright, so now we're off on our test drive. Got our turbo rebuilt, got our fuel bowl rebuilt, got H-pop lines, various accoutrements. So we'll see how he does. I think he's got a little more whistle. Down the road a little bit, and seems to be running all right. No weird noises as of yet. I think he's making a little bit more whistle, which is kind of cool to me. I know it's subjective, but I kind of like it. And more swooshy noises and things that you kind of like to hear from a turbo. Still not a speed demon by any stretch of the imagination, but you know, that really wasn't the goal. So a little bit more boost, I think, a little quicker. You know, seems like he's running pretty good. So we're gonna call it, folks. Alright folks, well, that's a wrap. So we finished up our turbo project on OG 7.3. Definitely had some challenges, had a little bit of drama. We almost figured out the answer to the age-old question of who made who. So, you know, we came out the other side. OG 7.3 is running good, so we're going to move on to the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.